Hi everyone, I'm Patrick Cameron and I want to talk to you a little bit about roller setting. Now, roller setting for me is the absolute foundation for all long hair work. And I know a lot of young hairdressers really struggle to see the relevance of why roller setting is so important. Well, the reason it's so important is that we can understand movement. So when we angle rollers at different angles, we can brush the hair out and the hair will respond in quite different ways than a blow dry or a tong. So I'm going to take you through a little collection of sets that are my favorite to share with you so you can just see exactly why roller setting is so important. We're going to create 1940s rolls. So at the very back of the hair, first of all, I'm going to go from ear to crown to ear, and the back area I'm going to place my rollers going under. Then I'm going to sort of take out a triangular section on the top, and on either side I'm going to roll all of the side sections up in one roller. Here we go, here's our set. So there's the back turned under. There's our side rolls going up on either side, and on the very top I've got one red roller coming forward with a blue on top, and this is going to form our roll as we start working. So this is the set for a 1940s roll with a back area turned under.